going to cover UiPath, the most trending tool in the automation industry now, along with Power Automation Cloud and Desktop. So first of all, I just want to know how many of you are looking for the job now here and looking for the job change. Can you just please raise your hands, or you can just give some emojis or smileys in the chat, or you can raise your hands. Okay, great. So Mahesh, eagerly waiting for the job. Okay. Only three. Okay, great. Right. So, what is RPA, first of all? Why everybody is looking for the automation? I know here some of you already have gone through the demo sessions. So today I am coming up with, some more announcements also from our RPA Vault. Am I audible, everyone? Everything is clear?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Right, right. So first of all, what is this RPA? Why it is trending and booming technology? Within how much of time we can learn this RPA tool? Why these many advantages? And why companies are paying this much of salaries if you learn this RPA? Is it exactly a low code, no code platform? So here everybody have so many W based questions. So I'll try to clear all the questions by end of our session. Please put your mobile phone in silent mode and try to, join the session and concentrate on the session without having any, discrepancies. Let them know, your friends, family, you're going to attend the session. So ask them to give some space for you to attend the session. Okay, right. So first of all, what is this RPA? What is the full form, guys? Anyone can help me? What is this full form, RPA?
Robotic Process Automation.
Right. So here, I know many people are freshers, many are already working professionals, many are already working in RPA tools, but in different tools, and who wants to switch from other RPA tools to UiPath, and who have already some career gaps, who are already working in some different backgrounds, who are working in some, support based industry. So for all of them, the only solution, to kickstart your career again in IT industry with the most technical content, which is RPA automation tool, which is related to AI and ML and all the latest open AI technology. Okay. So when it came into the picture, into the market, more than 10 to 15 plus years itself, this RPA came into the picture, guys. But from last 7 to 8 years, everybody become successful in these RPA tools, and we have more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. In this 50 plus available in the tools in the market, this UiPath is the most trending tool in the in all about the RPA tools. And recently, one more competitor tool came into the market. May I know what is that? Anyone, any idea?
Agentic.
Right. So this agentic AI also, is it's one of the part in UiPath. So in UiPath also nowadays we can, prepare our own agents instead of robots, and we can use those agents also in our day-to-day life. So which is Microsoft Power Automation. The a little bit competitor tool in the market is Microsoft Power Automation. That's why from last, 5 to 6 sessions, along with UiPath, even I'm going to cover Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and Desktop also. Not very in depth. On a high level, I'll explain. Okay. So why? Because why everyone, all the clients are migrating from UiPath to other RPA, other Microsoft Power Automation tool, because the only thing is licensing cost. But they don't know what are all the possibilities and the limitations and the security compliances all we have in UiPath, they don't have in Microsoft Power Automation. That's why whoever already migrating from UiPath to Power Automation, after they came to know that this is not possible in Power Automation, again, they all are coming back to the UiPath because their bots cannot able to do whatever it is doing in the UiPath. That's the reason still UiPath is trending like anything. So what exactly this robotic process automation? First of all, everybody should know what exactly we can do with this RPA robots. So generally, in terms of robots, robot means immediately what you will think. It is a kind of a physical robot, right? But guys, I am not going to prepare any physical robot. This is just a software. It is just a piece of code. Like however you are downloading and installing many applications in your laptop, like MS Office package, MS Word, Excel, and all you will get, right? In the same way, I can help you in installing a free community edition wherein you can download and install for free of cost, and you can keep this application for lifetime entirely free. No expiry date for this. So you can download and install and learn for free of cost. Okay. Of course, you should pay for the training so that I can guide you how to learn, what are the best shortcuts and tips and tricks. Because before 5 to 6 years, guys, this UiPath is, very, limited application, limited automation tool. But nowadays, every day, they keep on coming up with many innovations, many innovations. So it's not like a kind of okay, Raghu, if I learn this technology for 45 days, can I able to learn each and everything in your path? Can I able to survive for the entire life? No. However, in other, if for example, if you have a business or something, how you are keep on updating, coming up with a new stock or something. In the same way, if you are an IT employee, IT professional, your investment is nothing but your learning. It's a continuous learning process. You should keep on, update yourself. So it is a fresh start to start your career. I can help you with what are the best practices, what is recommended. So many people think, here I go, I'm not very good at English. Here I go, I'm not good at technical. Here I go, I'm unable to talk. I'm unable to, draft the emails. It's okay. Nobody knows each and everything, right? Everyone have their own, kind of drawbacks. Here it is the time, to upgrade your skills, where exactly you are facing the issue, how to overcome that issue. Right. So, so let's have a clear discussion about on all this. First, let me introduce you about all myself. So myself, Raghava Tadikonda, the UiPath official certified trainer, directly rewarded from UiPath, wherein I have overall 11 plus years of IT industry experience. In that one, from last 8 plus years, I am working on this UiPath RPA tool. In this one, last 7 plus years, I am giving these trainings. So far, I have trained more than 20,000 plus students in last 7 plus years. With that recognition, UiPath has rewarded me as a official UiPath certified trainer, the only trainer from Andhra and Telangana. So every month, we used to start a new batches, giving the skills to so many professionals who also have started learning like you, and now, they got settled down in their careers with minimum 10 plus lakhs of packages. So currently I'm working in Coforge as a technical lead. Basically, I'm from Hyderabad. My native is in Vijayawada. My highest qualification is MCA, which passed out in the year 2014. I have started my career as a Java developer in 2014 in Capgemini in Bangalore location. After 3 years of time, even I don't know about this RPA UiPath before 8 plus years. So I am just started learning Java and doing some project. But suddenly manager you know came and informed me, hey Raghav, you have to learn this tool, otherwise you don't have any other option. Otherwise you will be on bench. We will moving you out. So I thought like, are so many tools will come into the market and will vanish away. How about this tool? I really want to continue as a Java developer only. I don't want to switch my technology. Because you don't know about anything, right? It's very new to the market. But now I'm like feeling like very happy and proud along with my working professional thing. Even I'm teaching and delivering the subject within my knowledge to so many students every day. Mm. Because it is like successful to, I don't know I'm lucky or not, but I'm working on this tremendous, out of all these tools, I just learned this RPA path itself. So in this RPA path, like I have done all the certifications, guys, like associate level, developer professional, business analyst, solution architect, specialized AI associate, professional, agentic associate, and infrastructure. And previously, 3 to 4 years, like we have UiPath, UARD. Before that, advanced level certification. And in academy, we have more than 100 plus certifications. In that one, I have covered almost 65 plus certifications I have done in my previous experiences. Right. So I worked with, guys, different industries in my experience in my automation journey, like banking industry, healthcare, manufacturing, retail industries, oil and gas mostly, and logistics, finance, HR domain. So multiple domains, I do have experiences. And I have implemented so far 150 plus projects and deployed more than 250 to 300 plus robots into production. And even I got opportunity to deliver and to develop and deliver almost 50 plus POCs in my career. And even I'm into part of Center of Excellence team in our organization, wherein if any new client comes up, I'll be the first person to address the pain point and what exactly they are doing the manual process every day. I'll collect the requirement gathering and I'll do the POC, which means demo in IT industry, and I'll showcase the demo to the new stakeholders, clients, and I'll showcase the demo and I'll get the new engagements to our organization. So after learn this RPA tool in Capgemini, I just switched to company called KPIT Technologies. It's an automotive company. After that, I moved to Pune. I worked in Birlasoft in Hinjawadi Phase 1. There I have stayed almost for 3 plus years in Pune. And after that, uh, back to Hyderabad and settled down here. So after that, I joined in Infosys and I worked for almost 2 years. And after that, worked with Signity Technologies as a technical lead. And now recently, Coforge got acquired with Signity. So now I'm part of Coforge as a RPA UiPath technical lead. So along with this UiPath, I'm even into professional certified in automation anywhere and Pega OpenSpan and Microsoft Power Automation, cloud and desktop. But here we are going to learn completely about UiPath and Microsoft Power Automation. Okay. Right. So first, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
I'll give you good amount of time, guys. To feel free to unmute and respond. You can ask your questions, whoever have any doubts. Okay. Feel free to ask at the end of the session. So in the meanwhile, I'll try to cover each and every point. Okay.
Hello, Raghav. Can I ask one question?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. So, what make you? Uh, I mean to say, what is the difference between you and the UiPath certification? Approx because they provide the all thing in their website also. So, what you make you unique?
Okay, great. It's a good question. So, in that certification, do you know which certification you need to start in academy? And
Yeah,
do you know?
yeah, yeah.
You,
We can search for the UiPath learning roadmap. So they provide also which one you have to start first and which one after that which one you have to start.
okay, so is there anyone in the academy, if so while you are doing the learning the course from academy, if you got any doubt, who can help you in clearing the doubt immediately in the live?
There are one option you can go for the R&D or you can ask someone who has the experience in the UiPath.
So as you are already a working professional, you know how to do, some research and development. So how about the fresher? How about a person came from some non-technical background? So even they don't know how to utilize this any OpenAI application technologies.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you because I have experience in automation anywhere, so I'm just learning the UiPath. That's why I'm asking
So
you.
it's a kind of a predefined template, kind of a structured learning platform in terms of academy in UiPath. How about my teachings can help you in terms of real time? What is the trending things in the real time current market? What are all the new innovations? Can someone go for mute? Getting so much of disturbance. Yeah, thanks. So I can help you in explaining with real trending technologies, real world examples. What are all the pain points which clients are facing as of now? What kind of automations we are doing every day with real time examples? What are the different industries implementing? What are the different automations we have? So in terms of only technical, they'll concentrate more in academy. How about my sessions will cover, from scratch to end, how to install UiPath in your laptop. What are the different components? How to access the orchestrator? How to monitor the robots? How to deploy the bots into production? What is queues? What is dispatcher? What is variable? What is argument? What are input methods? What are the best practices? Coding standards? What is peer review? How to analyze the bots? How to trigger the bots from attended unattended mode? How to integrate with different applications? What is UiPath apps? Automation hub, document understanding, data fabric, agents, maestro, so many things to learn. With live examples, along with each and every doubt whatever you have, I can help you in clearing the in the session immediately. Okay. And even I'll give you the recorded sessions as well, guys. One session completed, you will get the recording also immediately. Okay. Right. First, let me share my screen and then we'll start and we'll have the Q&A at end of the session. Okay. All right. Is my screen visible, everyone? So, guys, first of all, what is this RPA? The full form is nothing but Robotic Process Automation. So, first of all, what is this robot? What is the meaning of process? What is automation? So, generally, everybody will think like immediately robot means what you guys will think a physical robot, which you generally see in restaurants, hospitals, any manufacturing industries, right? This is the robot you are thinking immediately. But in our RPA, we cannot see or we cannot touch our robots. As I have mentioned, it is just a piece of code where we are going to download and install this software, okay, for free of cost. It's not a physical robot. It's just a piece of code we are going to download and install for free of cost. So guys, what is the meaning of process generally in real time?
The sequence of
Process.
steps.
Excellent. Some sequence of steps, rules, protocols. So we should follow. If you want to make one process complete, definitely there might be having some steps, some rules. If you follow each and every step, then only you can able to complete that process 100%. Even in our day-to-day life also, without knowing us, we are doing so many processes. For example, if you want to make an online transfer, then what we need, guys, what are the pre-required things we need? First of all, you should have bank account. Proper infra setup is required, right? Proper raw material is required. Proper information is required to complete those steps. Then only it is nothing but a process. So to transfer money to your friend who is having some emergency, then first of all, what you need, of course, nowadays we got this Google Pay and Phone Pay and all right. But previously, what we used to do, we need to add our friend's account into your online account, add as a beneficiary. After 30 minutes of waiting time, then only you can able to transfer the amount, right? So you need to have bank account and online banking. You should have your friend's account number, IFSC code, type of account. You should have amount. You should have proper mobile network, mobile OTP you should receive. If everything is in place, then only you can able to make the successful transfer, right? In the same way, for example, if you want to book a ticket, railway ticket, then what we need again? Source address, destination, type of journey, time of journey, class of journey. Ticket should be available. You should have to do some, payment through payment gateway. You should enter the OTP. So these all are nothing but some set of rules to complete that particular process. In the same way, in IT industry also, guys, so many people, IT professionals, what they're doing every day, they're just doing some kind of business process steps. But that is what kind of steps, guys? A simple, repetitive, manual steps. What does it mean? They are not going to develop something. They are not, writing any line of code. They are not going to construct some new thing, new application. They are just doing the same job from long time. Opening the client application, copying the input data. So simply going to office, opening the laptop, connecting to the VPN, joining into the client network, accessing the client application, and copying the input data either from email or from Excel or from PDF or from WordPad or from database or from any SharePoint, OneDrive, anywhere. Once copied the input data, they'll just, log into the business application and they'll just process that copied data of input, and then, they'll just send the data to the client. Excuse me. So once they send the report to the client, immediately tomorrow morning also again they're doing the same process. Copying the data, processing the data, sending the report to the client. Today they have processed it for 100 transactions, tomorrow 150, day after tomorrow 500, and again 50, 100. Just the transaction of number is might be changes, but the process will be the same. Same type of application, same amount of format of data, same reports, same client, same people, nothing new. It's just a kind of one-time learning. So they're just doing the one-time learning, keep on, doing the same thing from long time. Nowadays, we don't need such kind of people who are all doing such kind of repetitive manual tasks. We can just replace such kind of human beings with the help of these RPA bots. because they are not going to something develop new, guys. They're just doing some systematic, some scenario based rules, some rule based tasks. They're just doing some simple calculations. They're just copying the data, exporting the data from one application to another application. They're just executing some transactional codes. They're just executing some commands. So nowadays we can even do the same things by the robots also, right? Then again, why we need human beings to make such kind of things? Even nowadays, from last couple of days, one more trending AI things are also going in the market. No, Claude, some Claude or something by Anthropic, some company launched these who are partners with the ChatGPT application, right? Even the Google and Facebook and Microsoft giant applications also have invested $1 billion in those such kind of cloud applications, ChatGPT applications. So wherein, the people are losing their jobs because of this AI tools. So we need to, in such a situation, you should be the reason to remove the job. You should not be in a situation to remove your job by someone, right? Definitely it will be a threat because you might heard the same things from your friends, colleagues who are also working in the industries. Hey, previously we need to put so much of efforts, but nowadays, if you are good in giving the prompting, it is generating the solution within fraction of seconds. It's doing amazing things, wonderful things. It is saving so much of time. Previously, they used to assign 2 to 3 days of time for this. Nowadays, they are just giving 1 to 2 hours of time only because everything is doing by the robots and OpenAI applications, ChatGPT. Even they also know. So definitely, it's time to upgrade, guys. Right? So, what is meaning of automations, guys? Just mimicking the user actions. What is the meaning of mimicking, guys? Whatever the human beings are doing, it needs to just do the same. So altogether, what we can say, guys, definition of RPA, with the help of these robots, we can able to automate the user actions. What kind of actions? What actually users can do? Whatever the actions you are doing, previously, RPA definition is our robots cannot able to take the decisions. But now with these agentic, agents and all, even robots are also can able to take the decisions like a human beings. So definitely you can just give the prompt in such a way, definitely it can take the decisions also. Like how in Robo movie, in starting before the first of what you have observed, it is just a simple robot. And in second of what will happen, guys, even it started getting feelings, and then it just created like a sin, and it just behaved reversely on the creator itself. Might be the same things happen. Let's see. So altogether, what we can say, guys, it's a physical robot wherein with the help of these robots, we can able to automate the actions, user actions. What kind of actions? Some repetitive manual steps, some sequence of steps will be there. So that's why every day so many people losing their jobs because of this automation RPA tools, AI tools. Okay. So okay, Raghu. So let's start. Please tell about RPA. RPA is just a definition, guys. Nothing to learn about RPA. Okay. RPA is just a concept name. So we have so many tools are available in the market. More than 50 plus tools available in the market. Okay. In this one, the top trending tools in the market. The first and foremost, UiPath, and then Microsoft Power Automation Desktop. Okay. So cloud won't come into the RPA tool, guys. It is just a flow. Okay. And then even we have, you can just say simply Power Automation Cloud at side. And then we have Automation Anywhere. And then we have Blue Prism, TrueBot, Pega OpenSpan, Cofax, Antworks, Redwood. So many RPA tools are available. Okay, Raghu, again, we have many questions here. Which tool is the easiest tool? In how many days I can learn this tool? If I learn this tool, will I able to get the job or not? After 1 or 2 years again, if this tool is not trending, then what will be my situation? I'm already having, 5 to 6 plus years in another technology with your, with this RPA tools and all. I have started learning this. Again, after 3 to 4 years, what will be the situation? Can we able to survive for a long time or not? How about the packages? How about the job openings currently in the market? Can you help me in getting the job? So how academy can help you in getting the job, guys? Right? No. No, right? So with my experiences, more than 11 plus and that to 8 plus into your path, I do have so many connections with so many companies wherein they used to keep share the openings. Here ago in our organization, we are looking for 10 professionals. Can you help us in sharing the profiles who can join immediately, who are, have some good hands-on experiences? So I do have my team, guys. I don't know how many have joined. So they can help you in sharing the opportunities every day. If you are in my WhatsApp groups, in main WhatsApp groups, wherein they'll keep on sharing the job openings across the globe on all RPA tools. Infosys, Bangalore location, 3 plus years looking for. Capgemini, Pune location, 5 plus years. Please send your email to this recruiter. Hey Raghu, I have just joined in your group. How about the previous messages? You can join in our WhatsApp channels. You can join in our Telegram groups. You can join, follow our in all the social media applications, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and all to access and mostly LinkedIn application. Right. So guys, this is our page. RPA Vault Professionals Trainings and Job Prospects, wherein we have more than 4,000 plus followers every day. So here our team, see 21 hours ago, which less than a day before, they'll just keep on posting every day with so many opportunities across going across in the globe. Okay. So opportunities, see, UiPath developer, Hyderabad, 5 plus years on site, company name. RPA developer, UiPath Blue Prism Automation Anywhere, Gurgaon location, 5 days work from office, Exaware. RPA, Mohali, 5 plus years. Like that, we just keep on, posting all the job opportunities. Right. So you can just freely access our LinkedIn pages and you can just, go through our previous openings, whatever we have posted from our all social media in Instagram and LinkedIn, Facebook, Telegram, everywhere. And guys, as I have mentioned you, this is about my profile, myself. I'm a UiPath certified professional trainer, and I am a UiPath, corporate trainer and community speaker also, guys. Wherein I have delivered so many workshops, so many sessions so far in my experiences. And recently, in 2024, I was rewarded as an Let's just a second. Right. Sorry. So recently I was rewarded with the award called Top Key Contributor from Hyderabad chapter, and I'm a UiPath Community Award winner in the year 2025. These are all my certifications which I have completed. Associate, Developer Professional, Business Analyst, Solution Architect, Agentic Associate, Specialized AI Associate, and Infrastructure Engineer. Okay. And I do have like 8,500 plus followers, and these are all my previous experiences wherein I have worked Capgemini, KPIT, Soft, Infosys, Signity, and currently working in Coforge as a technical lead. Okay, right. So Raghu, which tool I need to learn? So guys, even you no need to believe whatever I'm telling you. You guys also take some time. You guys also do some research. What exactly Raghu is explaining? Is it really, trustable or not? Okay, so let's search. Let's search in ChatGPT. Okay, what is the latest trending tool in RPA industry? Which which RPA tool is trending and booming tool in present market? See guys, RPA tools are trending and in demand in the market today, 25 to 26. What is telling you guys? UiPath. Then automation anywhere, and then power automation, Blue Prism. Okay. So you guys also can do your own research. Which tool is easiest tool? How about the job openings? If I learn this technology, can I able to get the job or not? Can I able to survive in the industry or not? Okay. All these things you can able to do your home, do your own homework as well. Okay. Then, so what are the different advantages and disadvantages? And some W based questions we'll discuss now. And guys, even I can show you the application also, how the UI user interface looks like. Okay, and about advantages, disadvantages, and what are the different industries and automations we have, and what we are going to learn, and how I can help you in getting the job as well by sharing the sample resumes. What are all the course content I'm going to teach, each and everything we'll discuss. So first of all, when this RPA UI path came into the picture, in 2005 itself came into the picture, almost 21 years before. But it became very much popular and successful in the market from 2017 to 18. Okay, 2017 to 18, it became very popular, and previously this Blue Prism and Automation Anywhere is ruling the RPA industry, guys. But nowadays, UiPath is chasing and leading the RPA industry. Okay, nowadays no zero openings are zero space for Blue Prism. Only the existing clients only, they are just renewal their licenses. No new projects, nothing, because of their compliances and security issues. Everybody is migrating to UiPath. That's why I know, like, may I know how many in this 41 attendees, 40 attendees are from other RPA tools? May I know? Anyone from Blue Prism here?
In Blue Prism before, but I'm not in RPA now.
Okay, great. Anyone from Automation Anywhere?
Yeah, yes, I'm from automation.
Right. Thank you. So, guys, if you observe at least 4 to 5 candidates, joining my sessions to learn this RPA from scratch to advanced level, because there are no proper openings in other RPA tools, Automation Anywhere or Blue Prism or Kofax or TrueBot. So they are in simply, even now also they are in dilemma whether they need to go for your path or for the power automation. That's why nowadays, even in interviews also, along with your path, what else the tool do you know? So many people, many candidates are giving their feedbacks. Hey, Raghu, only learning this RPA UiPath till is not UiPath is not sufficient. They're expecting more and more. That's why along with UiPath, I'm going to cover Power Automation Cloud and desktop as well. Okay. So who is the CEO who invented, launched this UiPath, guys? Okay. So he's a guy called Daniel Dinis. He's a Romanian. He is from Bucharest. Okay. So he's the who invented this RPA UiPath, guys, Daniel Dinis, in the year 2005. Okay. And as of now, the headquarters is in USA. Previously, it is in Bucharest. It's in Romania. Okay. Now, even in in India also, we have a headquarters is in Jano. Yeah, Jano, you can come. Hi, Nana. So, right. So, guys, it came into the picture in 2005, and it became popular in 1718. Its headquarters is in USA, and the top trending tool in the market. So, how about the how about the advantages? What are all the advantages? Why everybody is looking for automation as of now in the current industry? What are all the different advantages? First of all, so within this so far explanation, can anyone help me? What are the advantages, guys? Can anyone have any idea? If you automate
Reduce
these
the
repetitive manual tasks, what we can get, what clients will
it,
achieve?
it will reduce the manual effort, then accuracy.
Excellent. Excellent. So which means, guys, cost cutting. For example, there is a process and 10 members are working on that particular process from last 15 years. Now, once you guys developed these robots and if you deployed, you know, maybe the company is terminating those 15 members or else they can assign some another job, right? Because of that cost cutting, the companies are saving huge amount of money by investing on the human beings who are doing such kind of repetitive jobs, right? And accuracy, guys. What does it mean? 100% results. 100% results with no errors, zero errors. You can say zero errors because right? Human beings might commit some mistakes, depends on their mindset, depends on their situation and all. Definitely, we might commit some mistakes, but robots don't do any mistakes, guys, right? So the productivity is getting increased as it is giving 100% results. It is not at all doing any mistakes, zero errors. So productivity is getting increasing here. And most advantage here is, so may I know, guys, in real time, human beings will work for how much of time, guys, generally? How much of time we do work per day?
8 to 12 hours.
8 hours.
Oh, it not 12. It's
8
in,
hours.
if you are in a support, definitely, you should work for 8 to 12 or 15 also sometimes, of course. But how about robot, guys? Is there any time limitation, guys?
Non-stop.
24/7.
Excellent. So, guys, 24/7 robots can work. No coffee break, no tea break, no leave, nothing, no marriage, no birthday, no vacation, right? No manager, nothing. That's the reason it will work for 24/7. And even, guys, in this 8 to 9 hours of job time also, human beings maximum productively will work for 4 to 5 hours only because they'll go for lunch, they'll go for dinner, or they'll go for some meetings, productive meetings with the clients. They're very busy in understanding the requirement gathering. So this 4 to 5 hours of job, 4 to 5 hours of time in human being is equals to maximum 15 to 20 minutes of time approximately in terms of robot, which means robot can do the job within just 15 to 20 minutes of time, guys. It will work very fast. Once you just develop it and once you just trigger it every day, how you guys, set your alarm for in the last night, late night, and how it got triggered automatically when the alarm time is equals to your mobile time, it triggered, right? In the same way, we can trigger our robots. We can schedule the jobs. Hey, robot, I have just developed and tested you, successfully done. I have deployed you in the production. So from tomorrow, every day morning at 9 a.m. and evening 7 p.m., you just start the job. You can just trigger it automatically. Once the time meets up, it will keep, start scheduling the job, start triggering the job. It can do itself. Okay. So guys, we can schedule our jobs. We can trigger the robots. That is nothing but unattended automation. No human intervention is required. Okay. So these are all the different advantages, guys, mostly. How about disadvantages? Of course, there are some disadvantages are also there. First of all, no human intervention should be there. No human intervention. No dependency on any human being. No updates. Always data should be in same format. Okay. No changes in the application. So what does it mean, guys? For example, there is a process and my whoever the person subject matter expert explaining me the manual process. For example, there is a client called Johnson and Johnson. In that one, there is a guy working from last 20 plus years on the same application. So that guy have know each and every option in the application. So what he's doing, he's just doing the same repetitive task from long time. He know each and every step, shortcuts also. He's explaining me one of the process to automate. I've just joined in, for example, Capgemini, and then my manager allocated me for the client called Johnson and Johnson. In Johnson and Johnson, one of the guy who have most experience, he explaining me the process, manual process. Just please note down all these points, guys. We can connect these dots later. Okay. So when he's explaining me, I have asked him, hey, I am here to automate your manual process. Please help me in explaining your process. So he started explaining. Here, go open this browser, enter the URL, click this home page, go to the favorite, download the data, open the data, copy the data. But in this particular step, definitely my manager should come and give approval. When your manager will come? If he is in long leave, he's on vacation, there is a dependency. Why robot should wait that much of time? So previously, these kind of advantages are also all are there. Nowadays, again, we got so many, innovations are also there to handle such kind of scenario, process and maker checker process, maker checker process, and UiPath Action Center is there to enter the values dynamically. So no human intervention, no dependency should be there. No updates. For example, they explained me to do this Gmail automation, for example. But suddenly, what happened? They just come up with multiple changes. Today, the application UI looking like this compose button here, profile is here, inbox is here, sent items is here. Tomorrow, everything changed. Of course, like 1 to 2 changes means fine, no problem. Robot can able to identify and it can do the particular action. But everything format is going to changed. Then robot cannot able to identify, no guys. As a human being, for you itself, it will take some time to identify the changes. How about robots, guys? Right? So, and sometimes some pop-ups will come. So sometimes, of course, we should train the robot to handle those unknown pop-ups also. But suddenly, if some uninterrupted pop-ups comes up, robot cannot able to handle. In Excel, now there are like 10 columns of data. Tomorrow, they have come up with some 150 columns of data. Then we need to train, no? However you train, it will work and update accordingly. Otherwise, if you keep on coming up with changes, it cannot able to work like as a human being, right? It's not a cognitive thing, guys. It cannot create your its own solution. Of course, you should create the solution and you should train it so that it will do the same, it will repeat the same steps in the client business processes, okay, and applications. Right. So what are the different industries nowadays using this automation? Mostly, guys, banking industry. In banks, so many people, have dependency on many repetitive tasks. Right? Only wherever the bank in the front end we are going, you are thinking like only the bank is nothing but the front office, front desk office. No, guys, in the background, so many things will happen. So many people should work together to make that bank successful running, to take care of the business. So many people will work, right? And healthcare, manufacturing, oil and gas, and most important, insurance. Insurance industry. Right? Previously, if you want to take any healthcare, personal insurance, or health insurance, or term insurance, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, automobile. So there is some process. You need to wait for one day. If you go to any petrol pump or somewhere, bunk station somewhere, they'll put some desk, and they'll collect your details, and they will say, hey sir, by end of the day you will receive your insurance copy to your email. Please copy, take a printout, put some highlighter, and put it in polythene and put it in your bike. These kind of stories previously. But now, guys, what is happening within just fraction of seconds? Your email copy, your soft copy is getting generated and it is getting into your email. How about all these possible, guys? Retail industries, okay, logistics. In all these industries, guys, every day, thousands and lakhs of applications, they're just working on repetitively on same jobs. So we don't need to keep on, working on such kind of same things, guys. HR, HR jobs also. Every day HRs are also doing the same kind of jobs, guys. Onboarding process, offboarding process, payroll team. By end of the month, every month they should release the, send transfer the payments and all, right? Finance domain, testing domain, integrations you can do. Okay, so these are all the main industries, guys, implementing this automation and automations. Okay. And what are the different automation types we have in this RPA tools, guys? The most and basic and important is, guys, Excel. Excel automation we have, which means Excel applications we can automate. Next, web application. Web application means which you are accessing through internet. You can automate. Okay. And then PDF. If you have any PDF sample data, we can able to automate. Okay. We can able to automate. If you have any invoices and all, robot have the capability to scrape the data from the PDF, your application PDF, and it can help you in getting the, for example, you have this invoice. Okay. Client have this invoice. Every day client is opening this invoice. Every day client is opening this invoice, and what the manual team is doing, copying the date of issue, copying this bill to data, copying the address, copying the amount, and they're just copying this input data and processing it on business application. Nowadays we don't need to do it. Robot can extract these details. This is nothing but we can do in different ways. One, you can go for simple, read PDF with OCR engines. We can do with document understanding. We can do with, UiPath IXP. You just give this document and you just give your fields, what exactly the fields you are looking for. Hey robot, I need this invoice number. Hey robot, I need this amount. Hey robot, I need this due date. That's it. If you give 100 documents also, within fraction of seconds, it will extract these details and it will give you in Excel. Okay. For example, I want to extract this, extract this you know, uh, so guys, this is our website. Okay. So if you want to get some information about the course content and all, just go through our website and just click on RPA UiPath. If you come down, guys, here you have an option called curriculum. So as we have in the demo class 1, today I'm going to explain you all this. Tomorrow we have demo session 2, and which is the official batch going to start from tomorrow. And after that, I can help you in installing the UiPath Studio Robot Orchestrator. And guys, these all RPA tools are professional certified tools. Okay, all these RPA tools are professional certified tools. If you do some certifications, then only your resume weightage will get increased, and there might be get more chances in selecting your profile. Okay. So which certification do we need to do? Do we need to invest any amount or not? Everything we'll discuss in the coming classes. You don't need to pay any rupee also, guys. We have so many free certifications are available and paid also, but in the starting itself you don't need to pay and do any kind of a paid certification. Okay. So from the day one itself, we are going to start our certification journey, because by end of the day, some certifications will take 90 hours of time. If you start investing 2 hours per day now, so by end of 45 days of course, you can able to complete that certification, mandatory certification. Okay. And then we'll start with explaining each and every component of your RPA, your path. We'll start with very basic classes like variables, arguments, input and output methods, Excel automation, workbook automation, data table, action center, selectors, UI automation, string manipulation, word automation, PDF, database, email, loops, workflows, if else, while, do while condition, continue, break, retry mechanism, exception handling, throw, rethrow, terminate workflow, overview of object repository, modern design activities, automation hub, document understanding, data fabric, UiPath apps. And in advanced topics, I'll going to cover UiPath orchestrator overview, classic and modern design, what is assets and triggers, attended and unattended boards, how to upload and download the code, publishing the package, unattended boards, RE framework with queues, without queues, performer, dispatcher, global exception handler, real-time documentation, how the PDD document looks like, how the SDD looks like, with real-time scenario, with real-time example, with real-time project explanation, every day coming up with some physical, practical tasks, creating some teams, creating the real-time environment, assigning some leads to take care of your tasks. Every day your team lead will ask you, will do some follow-ups with you. For example, if 25 members joined in the session, every 5 members, I'll create one team and I'll assign one team lead who are already having some RPA experience on other technology or tools, so that throughout the day, guys, we have our team wherein 3 members are already there. They are already RPA professionals. So I have hired them to help us our RPA for full time. So they will be available for entire day. So whenever you have any doubt while you are practicing, within your 5 members of team, you guys can connect and discuss. If still it is not getting, definitely our team will be available. You can post it in the group immediately. Our team will be there to resolve that issue. Okay. And every day morning, next day, guys, whatever we discussed in the previous sessions, I'll just ask some basic questions to recap what we have discussed so far, and what you have practiced yesterday by sharing your screen, and how much of certification of academy you have completed. So it's kind of a it's not like a kind of a training, as I can help you in assisting you in each and every point how to get the job and settle down in the career. If nobody is there, of course these all the things can available in YouTube also. But why people are paying and joining in the sessions? Once if you start opening YouTube and watching video, immediately your friend will share one reel. You'll get some notification. You'll open it and you'll start scrolling the reels. sending some snaps. Then how about the commitment? How about learning? Nobody is there to ask you, hey, what you have learned today, how much of time you have spent, are you getting any doubts? Have you prepared your resume? How many jobs you are applying per day? How you are getting the job, openings? From where you will get? Hey, do you know how to attend the interview? What type of questions they'll ask you? How to handle the scenario based questions? If they give you some system test, how to do it? How to crack the interview? What are the tips and tricks? What are the best practices? These all won't available in YouTube, no guys. It won't available in academy, right? Definitely sometime already some career gap, already with lack of, guidance. We just started and joined in some IT industry with non-IT process. After 2 to 3 years of time, you came to know there is no growth. Whoever the friends started in development or in automation, they're withdrawing high number of packages. As you joined is in non-voice process, BPM, BPO support, still you got stuck with very low salary, but with full of commitments. You are not able to take the decision. It's almost time to do the marriage. With that package, how we can able to survive in these metro cities, right? So for all these things, definitely there should be some mentor, you know, needed, no guys. Already see whatever happened is happened, fine. So let's overcome all those by taking these, constructive decision to continue the day, learning sessions or not, right? So these are all the things I'm going to cover, guys. End-to-end project explanation and Power Automation Cloud desktop, flow diagrams, and what is workflow, and mock interview session, resume preparation, creation of account, Naukri, LinkedIn, interview questions explanation, and these are all the topics I'm going to cover. And then special guidance for freshers and non-IT people. Course duration, guys, 45 days. Okay. So guys, for today and tomorrow, the session will be morning 8 to 10 a.m. IST. From day after tomorrow, the actual sessions are going to start by 7 a.m. Okay.
Is it 7 a.m.? Is it not 8? Because I'm working in a different time zone,
Mhm.
Raghu, so I
Okay.
think 7 it will be difficult for me.
Sure. So 7 to 8 in between, because so as you have like mentioned 8 a.m. Somebody will say, hey, no, Raghu, I need to send kids to the school. It's not possible for me for 8 a.m. So once the demo session's completed, I'll create a poll. Okay. So based on the majority, maybe I'll go with some 7:30 or something, or 7 or 8, or maybe 6:30 itself or 8:30. So it depends on the majority. Okay. I am very flexible, no problem. But based on all your majority polling only, I'll confirm the time. But the first class will be from 7 a.m. IST. Okay. After that, I'll create the poll and I'll confirm the time. Okay. As of now, guys, the only one batch is going in the, as of now. Another batch is going in the morning 6 a.m. But that is already existing batch. Almost, it's end of the batch. Every day, two batches I'll explain, and no evening batches, guys. I'm a real-time working professional employee, and even I have to have family as well. So, so only sessions will be morning sessions. I don't take any evening session, and sessions will be only on weekdays. Okay, Monday
We have
to
another. Okay.
Friday. And guys, it's not a recorded sessions. So many people, give the demos in live, and after that, they will play some recordings in the live sessions. But it's not recorded sessions, guys. It's a live session, live interactive session. Okay. And after that, you will get the recording automatically. Okay. Every day, we'll receive the recording automatically. Okay. And guys, these recordings will expire after 120 days. Okay. If I give you lifetime, then you don't again get some seriousness. Ah, it's okay. We have recording. I can see tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. So it won't happen. So, but if you have such kind of expiry date, then definitely you'll get some more commitment and seriousness. Of course, after 120 days also, still if you're, trying to recap, still you did not get the job, at that time, whatever the latest batch, I can give you. Okay. And the fee structure, guys, actually it's 20,000, but for this batch, we are going to give you the best discount of 3,000. So actual cost, present offer. Okay. 3K. So, which is 16,999 INR. Okay. Here people join from multiple sessions. So it's INR. And then guys, total 45 days. In that one, total I'm going every day session will be 2 hours, guys. Every day session will be 2 hours. No other trainers will train you for 2 hours, guys, if you believe me or not, right? You might have already attended many sessions. So nobody will teach, because if I don't teach in 2 hours, then I cannot able to complete the curriculum. Previously, I used to teach even only 1 hour. After that, I made it like 1.5. After that, 1.45. After that, I make it as for 2 hours. And right, I think I have covered. Yeah, in this, so Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holiday, guys. Okay. So every day 2 hours of session, guys, and 1 to 2 hours of time on academy lessons, certification, which means okay. Yeah, I'll take your question, Mr. Arun. Okay, just a minute. And then, guys, at least 1 to 2 hours on hands-on. Yeah, practice. Okay, hands-on. Whatever the task I have assigned in the session, you know, you guys should practice by, connecting together, or, you guys can do individually as well. Okay. Yes, please, Mr. Arun.
Hello, Raghu. Raghu,
Yes.
I saw the curriculum. It is mentioned as 37 days, whereas you updated it as 45 days.
Yeah.
That is my first
45 days
question.
of duration, which means we are not covering in the Saturday and Sundays, right? So, for example, total 7 weeks of program. Okay, 7, 6, 42 days, more than 7 weeks, for example. Out of these 7 weeks, 7 weekdays means like 7 into 5, 35. So Monday to Friday only, no? Duration is different, classes are different. In that one, total I'm going to cover 32 to 33 sessions, guys. So in that one, 25 classes will be on UiPath, and 2 classes will be on agentic automation, and 2 to 3 classes on Power Automation Cloud, and 2 to 3 classes on Power Automation Desktop.
Okay. So the second question that I have is on like how we have divided the topics in the curriculum. RE framework being one of the important topics, like we have given 4 classes for it. So would it be fine to cover the entire RE framework within 4 days or 4 classes?
Yeah, absolutely. See, again in the RE framework, queues will be there, dispatcher, performer, integration with orchestrator. So only explanation of RE framework in high level itself, 2 days. What are the states? How we can, edit the existing states? How can create new state? How RE framework template looks like? What are the predefined folders and, XAML files we will get? So all high level discussion will be one day, and one day will be real time project explanation using RE framework end to end, so that you will understand what exactly RE framework, how to use in real time. And then one day dispatcher and performer, and one day with queues and without queues. So absolutely it will be sufficient, Mohan, because every day 2 hours, right? 4 days means 8 hours of session on RE framework. Definitely sufficient, fair amount of time only.
Good,
Uh,
good.
that can be applicable.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice to hear that. And the next question is, um, UiPath is there in the market for a very long time, and recently with the new add-ons or the plugins related to agentic AI and a lot of automations and AI things, right? So,
Right.
are we going to cover those topics also in this session?
So can you name any latest innovation? What exactly you are trying to
Okay,
say
so
that?
I have used UiPath in the past. So what I used to do is basic bot level executions like a repetitive task.
Right.
Now with the agentic AIs, like it can automatically read the PDFs,
Correct.
right? So that is
Correct.
one of the new features they have added. So are we going to cover these kind of topics in our sessions?
Yes, absolutely. Even my curriculum, whatever I have mentioned, guys, some of the topics not updated. Today I'll update it. So previously we have traditional automation, like, opening the application, logging into the application, and clicking on some, UI element, copying the data, exporting the data. This is nothing but a traditional automation. After that, we have got APA automation, which means when everything will happen in the background. After that, we got integration services. For example, you're working with ServiceNow, you're working with Salesforce, you're working with SAP. So directly UiPath launched its predefined activities itself based on the technology and application wise itself. So that UiPath bot directly integrate with that application. For example, ServiceNow. We have directly dedicated ServiceNow package and activities are there. So if you want to retrieve all the incidents, if you want to create a request, create an incident, I want to just count how many tickets are there. I want to open one incident. I want to make some priority. I want to change the state. So all these activities are already there. You can integrate. And after that, again, now we have these agents. So agents like here, guys, so many people, hey Raghu, can you please help me in teaching what is AI? Can you take some session on AI? So guys, separately, we cannot learn something dedicatedly on AI. AI is an, kind of a feature that we can implement in everywhere. It's a kind of an add-on. So in this latest trending, in this agentic master and all, what we can do previously, for example, there is simple example I'll explain. There is a hotel receptionist wherein that guy is from South India. That guy only knows speak only Hindi, Telugu, English. If any new customer comes up, the human being what he'll do only he'll greet in Hindi, English, Telugu. Hello sir, welcome. Hello Unnaru, how are you? Kaise hai aap? Good morning and good evening. That's it. If any new other person comes up, he'll start doing some hands actions. How about robot? Robot, if you train 10 different languages, hey robot, if customer give you English, then come up, then please give some message box with this response. If customer selected their location from Marathi, then please respond with this message in message box, which means you are training already predefined. So with the 10 languages, whatever the customer selected, it will respond. How about any other new from customer from Mexico? Then it cannot give. That is traditional robot. Now agents, what it can do, irrespective of any language. Just to select your language, give your language and location. Without having undoubtedly, it will greet the customer with that language. That is agent. And if you ask agent, hey agent, I am working in Johnson and Johnson client. So can you help me today report I am working in the so and so domain. So can you help me in getting the report what I am working? If you ask agent, can it able to give you that report, guys? It is from your client side. How it can able to access? No, right? So again, we need to come up with some storage buckets wherein you need to store all your client customer data into the storage bucket, and then your agent, you need to update the prompt in such a way. "Hey, I have given you complete data of client information, put in your storage bucket. Please just go and give your report." So we just need to keep on updating the thing. So yes, I'm going to cover all these integration services and, along with this agentic. First, we'll start with very basic traditional robots, and then we'll go with API automation and then integrations and then RE framework and then agentic automation. Okay, clear? I hope I have cleared.
Yes, you have answered all my questions. So with the like once I complete these sessions, will I be in a position to take up the developer professional certification?
Absolutely. Because if I am teaching only the advanced topics, then I don't know how strong you are into basics. So definitely we might get failed. So, but as I'm going to cover from scratch to advanced level, after completing the course, you can just go and take the mock round test in the academy, in the certifications page. In developer professional, you have an option called take mock round test. So wherein again you have 120 minutes, 60 questions, all are multiple choice questions. Definitely you'll get 70 percentage of marks. So even I
Nice.
can take some time also. Of course, even I can even giving you some dumps also in clearing your exams, and even I can help you what are the best practices and suggestions also. As I have completed these many certifications, what are the tips and tricks are also there. I can give you, I can suggest you, I can help you also in those.
Sure,
And
sure.
even I can help you in providing the discounted coupons are also. As you know, right, it's $300 if you are in US. If it isn't from India, you should pay $354, which cost around 31,000 INR to make that certification. But even as part of community, we used to receive some discounted voucher coupons so that even I can help you, my students, in giving those vouchers as well.
Glad to know, Raghu. Thank you.
Right. Any more questions? Can we move ahead?
I have one
I'm good.
question.
Yeah, thanks.
I have a
Yes,
question, Raghu.
Mr.
Raghu,
Mohandas. Yes.
so as we discussed, RPA is there in market more than 8 years. Just I want to understand in most of the organization, so most of the process would have been automated already. So it is not something the new process that would have been come. So my question here is, how about if the most of the process been already automated, how we can predict the future of RPA?
Yeah, it's a good question. So simply, I'll just say with some layman example, don't mind. So as a human being, uh, so every day, every time, morning, evening, 3 to 4 times, we will have our lunch, breakfast, and dinner. As I have 25 kilos of rice bag, I cannot all eat together everything at a time, right? In the same way, even though you automated all applications, but still client come up with some new requirements. Every day, human beings always need something new. Today, I'm using 17 iPhone. Tomorrow, I need 18. Today, Honda 5G. Tomorrow, I need 6G. So innovation won't stop. R&D won't stop. Production won't stop. The new things coming up won't stop. So our automation also won't stop. It's a continuous journey. So, for
So,
example, process
uh,
automations completed. Okay, they came up with some test automation. They came up with some agents. They are coming up with some integration services, Action Center, UiPath apps, Data Fabric, many things to learn. It's a never-ending process, Mohandas. It's a good question, of course, though.
so still you say that we have a good market
Exactly,
in future.
exactly.
Hmm. So, how about is it the openings more with the development only, or we are getting more on the support as well? So, how the
Yeah,
market as
it's a
of
good
now?
question. So it's a different scenario. First of all, years of experience and how many days you can join. As of now, due to this recession, everybody looking for immediate joiner. They are not, promising or, what I can say, supporting the bench policies. They cannot hire the people on bulk number. They cannot keep the people on bench for a long time. Once they got project, then only they start hiring. That's why everybody need immediate joiner. And then this is the best time. If every year, if you want, you can Google it. March to April or May is the best time for the hiring, to kickstart your career, to switch your career in IT industry. There are many openings from last 10 days. I'm getting receiving messages like from the students like anything. Many opportunities as of now in the market, and compared to other tools for UiPath and Power Automation is going like anything. You guys can open Naukri and search. Of course, I can I show you that as well. What is the how many jobs are there in current market? Yes, many openings are there.
Mhm.
For developer, oh yeah, it's a good question again. So guys, why companies are paying you high salary jobs compared to for RPA consultants compared to other developers? So it's part of our training demo itself. So here guys, some companies will hire you as a consultant. What does it mean? Consultant means, guys, you will have some more responsibilities compared to software engineers. So you should talk to the client directly. You should understand the requirement gathering. You should check the feasibility, whether can we do this process automation or not. Is this correct candidature or not for the automation? If yes, how many days I need to process automate this particular process? How many manpower required? What will be the budget? What is the complexity of this process? So some feasibility will be there, feasibility checking after the requirement gathering completed. After that, you guys should do documentation, preparing the BRD, SDD, required documents you should prepare. And then after getting the approval, you should do the document development and then testing and then deployment and then monitoring support. So you'll have some more responsibilities compared to a simple developer. That's why companies are paying you high salary jobs. Okay. So here total guys 3 to 4 openings will be there. First of all, in RPA, you if you want to go as a business analyst, you can go as a business analyst. If you want to go as a technical developer, just go as a technical developer. Or if you want to go as a support person, support guy, go as a support, or else individual contributor, consultant. So I will prefer always to go as a consultant, because you can there will be high chances of learning, exploring. You will have the chance directly to interact with the customer. You can improve your ability skills, communication, mailing skills, drafting, technical abilities, whatnot. You'll have sometimes take the decisions also yourself. You can approve the budget, you can give your rate card, whatnot. Okay. So support means starting couple of months, it might be some kind of interesting, something challenges. After that, after that, no challenging thing. Every day same kind of issues, same kind of problem statement, same kind of solutions you are providing with the robots to the robots. So I don't recommend to go for the support. But of course, if there is no chance, that is the only thing you have, definitely go for support, no problem. Download all the packages and open studio and go through the code and just try to learn how they have developed the code by using the best practices as you are in a support guy. Nothing wrong. But let them know that your aim and goal is to join and go as a developer, consultant, not as a support guy. So after 2 to 3 months, if you're really interested and passionate about the development skills, definitely your manager will give you the development. Or else if you're very good at presentation skills, documentation, communication, writing, preparing the ER diagrams, process flows and all, then go for business analyst. Okay. These roles will be there, but always most openings will be for the developer only. If there are 3 to 4 developers, they will hire only one support guy. Okay. I hope I have cleared. Again, I'll take the questions at the last. Okay. Let's continue the session. Definitely, I'll take each and every question, guys. I'll give you ample of time. I hope even I'm trying to cover each and every point, whatever the question you have as part of the demo. Right. So we have different automations, guys. Excel, web, PDF automation. We can do email automation. Robot can able to read your emails. Robot can reply. Robot can forward. Robot can save your attachment. Robot can delete. Robot can create the draft. Robot can send the email as well to the client. Okay. And then robot can connect to your database. SQL, PLSQL, MySQL, Mongo, Postgre, whatnot. Robot can able to integrate with your ERP application like SAP, Oracle, mainframe, irrespective, guys. No, no limitations, irrespective of industry, irrespective of automation type. Okay. So robot can able to integrate with ERP applications. Robot can able to do all such kind of automations like desktop applications, basic automations, image automations. It can do Citrix automation. It can do word automation. And these are like traditional automations. These are integrations. And even it can integrate with some ticketing tools like ServiceNow, okay, Remedy Force, and even it can integrate with your Jira, Azure, and all. Okay, you can implement CI/CD pipelines as well here. You can follow, Scrum methodology, Agile methodology, and all. Everything you can do. Okay, right. So many people will say, "Hey Raghu, these RPA tools are nothing but." 2026 batch. Hey Raghu, these tools are nothing but testing tools. Immediately they'll just justify, they'll confirm these are nothing but testing tools. So did they say any word about so far, guys, testing? Do you know really is it a testing tool? If you heard, what is the meaning of testing, guys? Of course, in testing also we have so many things, no? Like ETL, regression, manual, automation, UFT, so on, so many tools. What exactly the developer or whoever?
We are checking here. We are not checking the
Exactly. The application which
functionality of
going to live.
application. Yeah, so
Hmm.
we are using it as underlying application. We are not testing it.
Exactly. Simply testing means what, guys? Whoever the developer developed the application, somebody will write the test cases. They'll give you some wrong dummy data, wrong scenario. You need to just check whether is it executing every step in the wrong scenarios or not. That's it. Which means application is not in live. After your successful testing, application is going to live. Here, what I'm telling you, already the application is in live from 10, 15 years. Already many people or human beings are working on that manual processes. What you are doing, you are just automating those existing steps. Here, you are also not going to something create new. Already everything is there, application developed. You just understanding those set of steps by dividing into small parts of chunks, and then you are going to redevelop again those steps with the help of robots. You are going to train those steps to the robots. That's it. Once bots completed and development completed, you will do test and you will deploy the bots. So the same set of steps previously human beings are doing, now it was doing by the robots. So not at all, it's a testing tool. So the most advantage, guys, it's a low code, no code platform. Okay. It's a low code, no code technology. Another advantage, no coding knowledge is required. Okay. Hey Raghu, I already have some career gap. I already have, 3 to 4 years, but I'm very much scared in writing coding. So is it really necessary, recommended to learn any prerequisite for this one? Not at all. I can help you how to survive. I can help you how to handle such kind of scenario. If I explain you, for example, 10 lines of content. So if you keep only just learning those 10 lines of subject, how about if you get any 11th line? It's not a kind of simply by hearting the subject. There are more than 3000 plus activities are there. I cannot able to complete all 3000, 4000 plus activities in 45 days. But I can train you even if next 5000 activities also comes up, how to work. The process will be same, no? For every activity, there will be property panel. What are the prerequisites we should follow? What is input we should give, and what is the output we are getting it from that particular activity. Okay. So it's not a testing tool, guys. If someone asks you, let them know that it's not a RPA is not a testing tool. Okay, already testing tools are there. Okay, so guys, it's a low code, no code, no coding knowledge is required to learn this automation. And irrespective of any background, here Raghu, I'm from commerce background, I'm from science background, I'm from geology, whatnot, botany, nothing, no background. If you have just 2 to 3 years of experience, that's it. If you want to switch your technology, I can help you in how to switch, what are the best things, how many years of experience you should put, and how to convert your experience into this automation, how to explain your projects in the interview, everything, I'll take care of. Here, people are from different backgrounds, already working professional, someone from on-site, different location, already into different automation tools. Some are freshers, some are career gap, some are lagging in communication. Okay, so testing tools, you have like EFT, manual, UFT, black box, white box, Selenium. Many testing tools are there, but our RPA tools are not testing tools. It's a complete development tool. Can we have a look around, guys, how exactly this RPA tools application, UiPath tool application looks like? So guys, this is the official website of UiPath. After this demo, just go and have a look around. What is this official like website and what are all we have? And then basic components, guys. UiPath Studio, UiPath Assistant. Nowadays, we are calling it as assistant. Previously, we are calling it as a robot. Nowadays, we are calling it as an assistant. Okay. And then we do have orchestrator. So we have more than 20 to 30 plus innovations in UiPath now. If you want to learn everything, first of all, you should have knowledge on these basic components. Okay. So first, let me go through the studio and I'll explain you what exactly the meaning of drag and drop technology. Okay. And guys, here, as I have explained, some careers guidance will be there for the people who come up with some freshers, how to use Teams, Microsoft Teams, how to integrate with GitHub, how to create the account in GitHub, how to upload your code, how to commit and push the changes, basic usage of ChatGPT, OpenAI application, how to give the prompt, first of all. What is the scenario? What is the situation? How beautifully you're giving the prompt, that much beautifully it will give you the solution. This agentic automation, maestro agents are nothing but prompting only. If you're not good at in phrasing the sentences, not good at what exactly the requirement you're looking for, even it cannot able to clearly help you. So many people will reach me out every day. Hey Raghu, can you please give me work support? I'm like very hurry burry situation. Day after tomorrow is my deadline. Already 1 week completed. I have gone through different people, but nobody helped me. Can you help me? Yes, of course I can help you. So can you help me? What exactly the process steps you want me to automate? No, Raghu, sorry, I don't know what to do, how to automate. I don't know the business steps. Then how can I help you if you don't know the process? Sorry, Raghu, they have explained, but I didn't focus on the process. I was just chit-chatting. I cannot able to concentrate. I did not understand. They did not share me any recording. They did not share any SOP document. Then how can I help you guys? So first of all, you should have proper ability skills, listening skills. If you understand the process, it's something you can do. But if you don't know what to do, then how I can help you in giving you the work support, right? So self-introduction, resume preparation, practice, mock interview, multiple mock interview sessions, how to use Outlook application, okay, configuration, the emails, drafting, sending and receiving. Every day we'll assign the tasks, task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep tracking the status tracker. And then we'll do the academy certifications as well by end of the courses. These are all the certifications. And then our team will track every day whether you completed the task or not, project or not, attending the sessions or not. Every day we will take the attendance also, guys. Automatically, once you join the session, your attendance will be recorded automatically, and out end of the session you will receive your attendance also. Out of 45 days, only 5 sessions attended, then I cannot help you. Even you don't even ask me, hey Raghu, I have attended 5 days only, so can I able to get the job? That is all secondary thing, right? So these all are the recorded sessions. Okay, recording links once automatically you'll get. For example, if you see, this is my ongoing batch, December batch, which I have started last time due to this Pongal holidays and year-ending vacation. So guys, see here. Uh, Class 1 demo. Class 2 demo. Okay. Class 3 Power Automation Cloud Desktop Certification Initiation. Class 4 Studio Part Explanation Studio Part 1, Part 2. Class 5, Class 6, Class 7, 8, 9. Okay, like that. Each and every day I'll update the what exactly, and whatever the notes I have prepared, I'll share you, because I do have many presentations, but I don't depend on presentation. While I am writing, by sharing the screen on the notepad, you guys also will start reading it, so that you guys also will remember something. If I keep open the presentation, you might read it or not. That's why, to make more, you know, observation and all, I don't depend on any presentations. I'll just always coming up with everyday notes. Okay. So like that, up to, see here, class 31 agentic automation, class 30 mock interview, resume creation tips, 28 power automation desktop, power automation cloud, real-time documentation, orchestrator assets, RE framework part 1, part 2, content sharing, follow-up, document understanding, string manipulation. Okay. So this is December batch. This is November batch. This is my September batch, October batch, July, March, December. These all are 2025, 24. Okay, these all are my previous batches, guys. Okay, and then here we are going to give you the content. What are all the course content I'm going to give you, like materials, you can say. Okay. Hey Kumar, are you there? How do I can access my?
Yes, I'm here. What are you
How,
trying to access?
how to access? Okay, I do have here. I got it. So guys, here the application which our team has prepared, that tracking every student information. Okay. So once you join, we will get some basic information about yourself, like where you are currently working, are you a fresher, working on non-IT, so and so. Every day attendance will be recorded like this, how many classes you attended. Okay. And then certification tracker. Once you guys completed any everyday certification, you can just come up here and you can just upload your certification. What is the certification name, student name, and when they have completed, so that our team can able to track you, and even myself also, and how many projects you are doing every day, whether you are facing any issue or not. So whatever the projects you have completed, you can just please come up and upload your projects, so that even these projects we are going to give the upcoming batch students also for the practice purposes. Okay. And then important links, guys. This is the main point I want to focus. What is the why I need to join your course, Raghu? What is the difference between other people and you as a trainer? So I'll give you so much of material, 300 plus interview question and answers, different materials. For example, see, study materials. So here total how many pages of document, guys? 70 pages of document. In this one, 110 pages of document. In this one, 80. Almost 260 plus pages of content material I'm going to give you to help you in clearing your interviews. Okay. Use cases. What type of use cases we do have in real time? 101 plus real-time use case scenarios documentation will be there. We will give you the access. If you click on this PDF access link, you can directly able to access that, use cases document. Okay. So these all are customer success stories. What are the different use cases we have in the real time? Okay. And case studies, use case slides, and bots DNA solutions for the practice purposes. We have already prepared the solutions for our bots DNA website. Here, I don't know how many of you bots DNA. So guys, this is one of our Hyderabadi guys who developed this application for the practice purposes for the automation. For example, here we have a school information. Okay, you accessed this website and you downloaded this input file. So our automation is that open a browser, enter the URL bots DNA, click on school information, download the Excel file, open the Excel file and copy the school code, okay? Different, practical scenarios he has developed in a website, okay? Janu, కొంచెం ఇది కాఫీ మళ్ళీ కొంచెం బెటర్. So guys, school code. For example, if you copy this school code, okay, from your input sheet, navigate back to the application and just paste that school code and search. So what happened? You got some information, school address and all. You just need to copy the school address and come back and paste that school address here. Understood? So this kind of robot should copy, scrap all this data, and robot should put that information here. Like that, it should repeat for all these schools. Your robot should do this is repetitive task only, right? So this practice website for different scenarios, active loan, locator, notary. So we have already prepared some solutions, for this POTS DNA. We can give you the access and we can give you every day for the preparation practice purposes and guide to agentic orchestrations, PDF and free UiPath resources and very useful and free to download. These are like not able to, free to download Visual Basics, prerequisites and what are the basics VB scripting and C sharp, and how to get some basic knowledge on Excel, how to become a pro, what is row and what is column. Even still, people will confuse what is row, what is column, what is horizontal, vertical, what is header, right? What is sheet name, what is VLOOKUP, what is macro. Many things to learn in Excel. GitHub, Python course, these are something and another added advantage. Best recordings we do have already. We can give access for those along with your ongoing existing batch. Complete foundation recap. This complete document has been prepared by UiPath. Okay, total 140 plus pages of slides. So these all are like almost they have divided into 22 topics. So if you before going interview, if you have this content document with you, definitely you can able to crack the interview theoretically. What is variable? What are the workflows? What is control statement? Each and every point they have covered. So I'll give this kind of material and presentations with you for to free access. Okay, project organization, testing, end to end. So just please go through our website. Maybe our team will give you the access for this URL. Resume collection, document understanding, projects, VB.NET coding, best practices guide, certification dump. As somebody asked it in the session, I'll give you the dumps also. End-to-end project explanation, some interview questions by MNC companies collected from our previous students. These are all like I can say my 7 to 8 years of hard work, guys. Which I cannot simply share to everybody. Whoever like join and paid the sessions, for all of them we can provide the access for lifetime. Okay, so even it's not like a kind of hey Raghu, we joined this batch and we completed this batch. So is it like a kind of after that what we can do, what you are providing the services? It's not like a kind of some 45 days of interaction, guys. It's a kind of continuous journey with us. We always welcome you. We'll add you in our groups. Our team will keep on posting the job updates, our all trainings which going to start under RPA Vault and RPA UiPath roadmap. Where are the openings across? If any new things comes up, innovations, product innovations, if you need any support, certification, if you need any voucher discounts, all this information we are going to provide you in the groups. And if you need anything, any information, we can help you. Okay. Right. Just a second. Right. Okay, now let me share my screen again and let me show you guys how exactly the UiPath component looks like. Before that, let's have a look around how the UiPath website looks like. Okay, is my screen visible, everyone? Everyone can say something. Is it able to
Yeah,
understand
yeah,
everyone?
yeah.
Yes.
You all are
Yes,
listening or
Raghav.
just
Yes,
attending
yes.
session and
Yes.
okay. How's the session so far?
That's
It was
good.
good,
Good.
informative.
Great. Very happy. Many people joined today for my session. It made my day. Right. So guys, here this is the official website of UiPath. Okay, wherein what are the solutions by industries, as I have told you, healthcare, insurance, public sector, manufacturing, by department wise, supply chain. Okay, financial, HR, QA, by technology wise. Okay, what are the different platform we have in terms of building, orchestrating, and featured. Okay, view all products, explore the platform. This is agentic. Yeah. So guys, we have Action Center, Agent Builder, AI Center, Assistant, Apps, Automation Hub, Automation Ops, Autopilot, Data Services. Okay, Data Services, Insights, Integration Service, IXP, Studio, Robot. If you want to learn all these things, first of all, you should know Studio, basic things, orchestrator, and then robots or assistant. Okay, so in this one I am going to cover you all that agent builder, automation hub, assistant, apps. Okay, and then data services, IXP, integration services, a marketplace, orchestrator, robots, studio, and remaining concepts only the definition are in a high level. Okay, which we cannot able to complete because some are licensed, some are open source. Whatever the freeware, I can able to help you. Okay, now let's open our UiPath Studio. How exactly the drag and drop tool looks like. Okay, so let me open the UiPath Studio. So guys, this is nothing but UiPath Studio. Okay. So this is how our application looks like, our next 45 days of journey on this tool only. Okay. So here, first let me welcome you all with simple hello world message. Like every trainer, every instructor, every programmer, always who want to start with a simple hello world message only, no? So let me drag and drop. In Java, if you want to display hello world, what we need to do, guys? What we need to do in terms of Java or .NET or Python?
Print statement.
Public static void main. Even we don't know what is that. System.out.println. We don't know what is that. In double quotation, we should give. We should separate ending with quotation. We should import packages and all. But here, what I'm doing is see, just simple drag and drop message box. So what is this message box is telling you? It display a message box with a specified text and button. It is directly giving you the information, what exactly the prerequisite you should provide. And it is telling you the text, whatever you want to give must be quoted. So put double quotation and just simply write hello world. That's it. Just run the bot, guys. That's it. You don't need to write any line of code. I'm telling you, no. It's a simple drag and drop automation tool for every scenario. Already they have written the code in the background, guys. See, hello world program. Already they have written the code in the background. Here, what we are doing, guys, they already written the code and they converted those lines of code into these activities. So we are simply using those activities by drag and drop like this. This is nothing but drag and drop, right, guys? And as someone asked the question in the session that see guys, here these are all the different activities we have, and these are all the different integrations now UiPath robot UiPath is going to offer. Act 365, Adobe activities, Amazon's activities, Apple mail activities, Apple numbers, Apple script, scripting, Asana, Azure, Aweber, Bamboo HR, Bags, Calendly. These all are the different real-time productive applications which we are using. Citrix robot can able to integrate and you can able to automate. You can able to automate Facebook, Dropbox, this okay, GitHub, iCertis, iContact, Jira, Keep, LinkedIn, MailChat. See guys, how many applications are there? See ServiceNow. Okay. So guys, these are all the activities available in terms of integration. We can able to integrate. Okay. And now, for example, I just want to type the same hello world message on the notepad. How to do that? So to type something, we have an activity called type into. Okay. Type into. So where you want to type. So guys, if you take this type into activity, what it is telling you, it will send keystroke to a UI element. Where you want to type on the notepad, you should train the robot. No, where you want to type, whether you want to type on notepad or you want to type on Excel or you want to type something on some application. Definitely, you should give the instructions. No, that is nothing but training the robot where exactly to do. It needs to do what it needs to do. So open the studio and indicate on screen, and you indicate the screen on the notepad and just give your message. Hello world. Morning everyone. Welcome to RPAVAULT trainings. We are in the demo session. From tomorrow, actual paid sessions going to start from 8 a.m. IST. So this is the message I want to type on the notepad. So I have instructed clearly where I want to type also. Now that's it. Just run the board. So what will execute first, guys? I have took two activities. One is message box and one is type into. Now if execute, what will execute first?
Message box. See guys, hello world, and see how beautifully it is going to type. See, I'm not doing anything. It was just doing by the bot. Okay. Okay, because of the speed, it not written properly. Now I want to compose an email. Then what I need to do, guys, where we need to click generally in the compose button. So which means we need to click on compose button. We need to click on compose button, right? Then what we need to do, which activity, guys, we need to take? Click activity. Like this, guys, for each and every scenario, we have an activity. Predefined activities are already there. You just need to know at what time, which activity we need to take. That's it. Okay. So where you want to click, you need to indicate. Here I want to click on compose button. No. So just indicate the robot exactly where it needs to click indicate. Okay, I have indicated. Now again, if I run the bot, how many activities will execute, guys?
Three.
Three activities. All the
Three
three
activities.
activities.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me delete and then execute. Now you guys understood what exactly drag and drop, how beautiful, very friendly interface, guys. Very user friendly. I'll explain you each and every option from basic scratch level to advanced level in the application standpoint. See, first of all, message box, and then it will again start writing on the notepad. See, once you train it, execute a number of times. But human beings are keep on doing the same writing again and again, again and again, right? And see at the last, click on compose also. Now, I want to type some more text. In the next line, I want to enter
Now let's have the time for Q&A. Okay, I want to add this point. Then what we need to do, guys, in the studio, type into, we have some keystrokes. For each and every activity, so many properties will be there. Each and every property we should know. If situation comes up, you need to use those features and properties. See, here we have editor, here we have use variable, here you have so many options again, here you have drop down. For one activity itself, these many features are there. You can imagine more than 3000 activities, but you don't need to learn every activity. Mostly we will learn 250 to 300 activities in the coming 45 days. Okay, those are like very common and useful activities. If you have get hands-on on those activity, you can do any activity. Okay, that much confidence I can help you in bringing out. Okay, now after this text, I want robot to enter next line. Then what we can do, these are all the keyboard shortcuts, guys. Enter. After entering, what I want to do, here we go. Okay, here we go for Q&A session. Thank you all for joining the session. Let's connect tomorrow morning, same time. See you all from RPA Vault. Okay. Save and just give some delay, as it is not everything typing properly. I'm just giving some delay between the keys also. I'll just give right. Okay, guys. Now see how beautifully it will type each and everything, and it will perform each and every action. Now you updated the activity. And let's see how beautifully it will do each and everything. Message box. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RPA Vault trainings. We are in the demo session. From tomorrow, actual paid sessions going to start from 8 a.m. Here we go. A Q&A session. Thank you all for joining the session. Let's connect tomorrow again, same time. Right. Okay, again, guys, last activity, clicked on compose and bot execution completed. So this is how the user interface looks like and what exactly the UiPath Studio automation looks like. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the Q&A, guys. Any questions, anyone? How's the session? Any feedback, any comments? Please
Yeah,
welcome.
the session was good. Yeah. So as you mentioned, tomorrow will be a paid batch. So how we have to pay like fees and all.
So here, who all are in the class, if you are already in my group, you will receive updates in the group. If you are not in the group, please ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, it's my WhatsApp number, so that I can add you in the, I'll add you in the group and I'll share you the payment link. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
please take my number if you are not in my group. Yeah, next question, please. So may I know how many of you interested? Can you please raise your hands in joining the actual sessions from tomorrow? I just want to see that numbers. Okay, Abhinay, Nagarjuna Reddy, Manikanta, Ali. Okay, receiving many questions. Okay, Mohandas, thank you. You can please maybe simply drop a message also in the WhatsApp. It will be very helpful and grateful. Any more questions, anyone? We have 35 participants. Shravanti. Hi, Geeta Reddy, are you there, Geeta? Hello. Okay. Harvey, hi, Harvey. Harvey Rice. May I know where you are from, Harvey? Harvey, or sorry, Harvey. Uh, Prashanti, hi, Prashanti. Any questions, Prashanti? How's the session? Okay, great. Devi Pedagoud. Fino, hi, Fino. For Fino. Maybe you can unmute and respond, guys. No problem. Feel free to unmute and respond. Share your kind of valuable feedback. Is it really helpful with the demo session? Got some knowledge?
So what are the final class timings, Raghu?
As of now, tomorrow 8 to 10 a.m. only. From Monday 7 to 9 a.m. On Monday, by maximum final students will be get confirmed, and then we'll create the poll and we'll take the final time, whether is it 7 to 9 or 8 to 10. Okay, or 7:30 to 9:30. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Thank you. Puzzle, I, Ganesh, Geeta Reddy. Krishna, Mohammed, Naresh, Varshit.
Yeah, hi Raghav, this is Monica.
Hey, hi Monica.
Yeah, I was thinking about this class timings. Just I have a kid,
Okay.
so
Yeah, it's a very universal problem for every
yeah,
mother.
yeah.
I know, I can understand. As I'm a parent, I also can able to
Hmm.
correlate that situation. Even I need to drop my kid at 9 a.m.
So,
9:30 a.m. Thank God.
so may I know after this batch, when is the next batch going to start?
It's still not yet confirmed, Monica.
Okay,
So it's
will it
anything
be
in
in
lineup?
April?
No, no, not that much far.
Okay.
Definitely, it will be in maybe March ending or something.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, at that time it is comfortable for me, I think.
See, all these hurdles and problems every day we will have. We need to think about some alternative solution. We need to
Yeah.
come up with some plan, because it's not like a 1 day program or 1 month program for the school kid program, right? It's a continuous journey. So this 45 days of time, you should, take some help from your parents or in-laws or your friend, by taking care of those 1.5 hour of 2 hours of session. And then, you should come over. Otherwise, every day, that day will keep on getting increased, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's my
Thank you.
suggestion. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
How's the session, Monica? As you are
Yeah, it's
already
good. Great.
professional. Thank you. Mahesh Patil, hi. Mahesh. Mohana Madhuri, hi. People join from multiple locations. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, let's connect tomorrow. Please join in the group. If you have any questions, queries, please feel free to ping me. Let's connect tomorrow morning again. Okay, I'll share the payment link in the group. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot. You can stop recording, team.
Thanks, Raghu.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi, Fino. Do you have any questions, Fino? Hello. Okay. Puzzle, Harvey, Mahesh. Any questions, guys?